Have you ever noticed that your legs just don't feel as strong as they used to? Maybe you find it harder to get up from a chair, climb stairs, or even take a walk around the block. If you're over 60, you're not alone. Millions of seniors experience a gradual loss of leg strength, and it can feel frustrating, even scary, when your independence starts to slip away. But what if I told you that there's one simple food, backed by real science, that could help you regain leg strength? It might sound too good to be true, but today we're diving into the research and revealing exactly how this one food can make a difference for your muscles, your mobility, and your confidence. If you care about staying active, independent, and pain-free as you age, you'll want to hear every word. Let's start with a simple truth. As we get older, our muscles naturally lose mass and strength, a process called sarcopenia. This isn't just about looking fit, it's about being able to move, balance, and live life on your own terms. Weak leg muscles can lead to falls, injuries, and a loss of independence. But here's the good news. Your body is always ready to rebuild, no matter your age. The secret is giving it the right fuel. So what is this one food that can help seniors regain leg strength so quickly? The answer is eggs. Yes, the humble egg, something you might already have in your kitchen, has been shown in scientific studies to rapidly boost muscle repair and strength, especially in older adults. Why eggs? Eggs are a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle. They're also rich in leucine, a special amino acid that acts as a trigger for muscle growth. In fact, research shows that eating a high-protein meal with eggs can increase muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to build new muscle, within just a few hours. But the benefits don't stop there. Eggs are also packed with vitamin D, which supports muscle function and bone health, and choline, which helps your nerves communicate with your muscles. All of these nutrients work together to help your legs feel stronger, more stable, and ready to support you in your daily life. Now, you might be wondering, can eating eggs really make a difference in just hours? According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults who consumed a high-protein meal, including eggs, showed measurable improvements in muscle strength and function within half a day. That means you could start feeling the benefits by your next meal. Of course, eggs aren't a magic bullet. They work best as a part of a balanced diet and an active lifestyle. But if you're looking for a simple, affordable, and delicious way to support your leg strength, eggs are a powerful place to start. Now that you know why eggs are such a powerful food for regaining leg strength, let's talk about how to make the most of this simple solution. First, how should you eat your eggs for the best results? The good news is eggs are incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them boiled, scrambled, poached, or as an omelet with your favorite vegetables. For maximum muscle benefit, try to pair your eggs with other nutrient-rich foods like spinach, tomatoes, or whole grain toast. This not only boosts the protein content of your meal, but also adds important vitamins and minerals that support overall health. How many eggs should you eat? Most studies suggest that 1 to 2 eggs per meal is enough to trigger muscle repair and strength gains, especially when combined with other sources of protein. If you have concerns about cholesterol or heart health, talk to your doctor, but for most healthy seniors, moderate egg consumption is safe and beneficial. If you found this information helpful, share your experience or questions in the comments. What's your favorite way to eat eggs? Have you noticed a difference in your strength or energy? And if you want more science-backed tips for healthy aging, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Your journey to stronger legs and a more active life can start today with just one simple food.